let's look at another report. This is called our negative inventory report. So if we go to, again, reports, inventory, and it's called negative inventory reporting. What this report is going to show you is that all the active and inactive, and I'm going to talk to you about that in a minute, items that have negative quantity. So this will kind of help you. What do I need to clean up? What is negative? And so this is kind of your guide to next steps of cleaning up. Okay, so to recap, when the above negative inventory was caused because a sales order was created, and we saw the pop-up saying we didn't have enough to fulfill the order, we didn't stop. We didn't stop and reach out to our inventory management team to say, hey, I know there's inventory in the warehouse to fulfill this, but my accounting file is showing we don't have enough. We need to make an adjustment. Or inventory management team, I have a customer that needs 50 widgets and we don't have them. Can you please order them for my customer? So we should always stop if our accounting file tells us we don't have enough so that we can do a step to make the corrections. Now we'll talk through the I can't stop. We'll talk through that scenario in just a minute, okay? So now I want to walk through, so we've talked about how negative inventory is caused, and we've gone through a transaction, and we've looked at the reports to identify negative inventory. So now what I want to do is show you how we can correct it.